Today we're gonna make two drinks that we're still trying to decide our final outcome of how we like them. Give them a try with us, taste them along, and see what you think.
Then you can tell us.
Right.
You decide.
You decide. We're done.
Yeah.
Choose your own drink adventure.
There you go.
There you go.
One comment cocktails. Ian, Dan, Derek. Yep.
You know. You've been here before.
You know us by now. If you don't, it doesn't matter what our names are. You're just going to call me he, the guy, or the bald guy, whatever. So we're going to be making the Garden Gimlet. This is for Earth Day.
The Garden Gimlet.
Yeah.
I thought you said Guardian Gimlet. I was like, are we doing a different drink?
No, because it's for the garden. It's Earth Day.
Garden, yes.
I don't really know why it did match with Earth Day because it's got earthy ingredients. That's really that's.
Oh, you have to make a cucumber ribbon.
He likes to do those type of things.
I'm just making sure.
So we're gonna make this drink twice because we're having a great time. So one version of the drink, or either of them, will be the same ratio. It's 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice, ½ ounce of honey syrup, 3 to 4 fresh basil or mint if you want to. I would go with basil personally. 1 to 2 slices of cucumber. You're gonna muddle those things down. We are doing it with two different things. Earlier in the month, we reviewed the Botanist, or if you're in the live stream like an hour ago. And then we also have the regular Botanist. So we're gonna use those as our gins, and we're gonna try it with the rested gin in like an aged barrel, so you get that nice old Tom looking feel.
What you need?
And your classic botanical. You could also, if you really wanted to,
sounds good.
If you want to spend extra cash, you can get Hendrix because that'll work in this because it's just cucumber. It's redundant.
Yeah.
I would prefer something else just because I don't know. Like after having,
I think the Botanist is gonna be good.
I've had so much gin at this point that like Hendrix feels kind of like the Patron. Like everybody, I was like Hendrix. It's like a way up
here. But it was really
like,
good back in the day.
No, well,
yeah,
Hendrix is your gateway gin.
It's still really good.
Hendrix is your, if you want to get into gin.
But it's expensive.
Yeah, well,
it's tasty.
I mean, nothing's free, so.
Amsterdam's your gateway drink.
Yeah.
Hendrix is what everybody knows.
Hendrix is more of a
household name.
But it tastes better. Yeah.
I don't even have any of them anymore.
Amsterdam.
No. I mean, Hendrix is fine. Like, it's not London Dry, so it's not going to be too, like, crazy on the juniper. But, like, it's compared to a lot of gins now, and I don't think it was always the case. When Hendrix was around, they had, Tanqueray, Beefeater.
Yeah.
Here in the
Bombay.
US. Bombay. Yeah, Bombay. Yeah, it was usually Bombay, Hendrix, and Beefeater.
Yeah.
Or,
yeah, Bombay's good.
And then all of a sudden, there was, like, you could get, I probably have Aviation, High Clare Castle, Beer Sea. We got the Drum Shambo. We've got this Roku Gin.
Shambo? Did you hear that?
Kick him in the nuts.
The gunpowder gin is really good.
It's Drum Shambo, isn't it? Yeah, it's Drum Shambo.
I have like the citrus one. Drum!
Really?
I think you guys left it at my house. And it's good.
Wait, I own a citrus one and I left it at your
Don't
house?
put it in a dirty martini though. Not good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I tried. I was like, shit, this isn't good.
Oxley. This is expensive. But like, you have all these options now that I feel like Hendrix is just... I've done that already. It's fine. It's cute.
Yeah. No, it's good though.
Like in a tonic and stuff like that, but like, it's still like...
But I think like in a tonic, like this would actually be better.
I like the botanical.
I think the
It's
more
good with the
botanicals.
elderflower. I mean, Hendrix and elderflower.
Yeah. Oh, you know what another
yeah.
is?
Yeah, it's still got its place. I think.
I don't know where it went. I have G-Vine.
Yeah.
G-Vine gin with like a
Oh, that's different, yeah.
floral, like
Remember
a
that
flowery.
stuff that Christoph brought? Noel,
This?
that really...
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We still haven't finished this one.
Yeah.
Heaven Organic Gin, because, gin's
Damn.
not made from organisms.
2 drinks.
I think what is it? The Bulldog one?
Bulldog Gins, that's one of my top blind tasting.
I was right.
What?
What has nut? What?
She explained what a rum ball
Yeah, see? Like, yeah, it's an actual, like, it's a dessert, yeah.
Cake with rum and cream, dipping, covering chocolate with nuts.
Nuts.
Angelic nuts.
G-Vine Gin, you ever heard of this?
No. No, we've had this, haven't we?
I have. This was actually one of the
So I
first
know you're listening, Jen.
sponsors I think I ever had.
Like
Smells good.
rascal with
Yeah,
a
it's like a
P.
grape.
Derek had it. I answered to all of them. The E makes it for a girl.
Oh, what happened?
Her name, Pascal.
I don't see that text anywhere.
Oh, is it
Oh, yeah.
Pascal? I answered all of them.
Oh. Well,
Like Rascal with a P, yeah, so Pascal.
Oh, okay.
like Pascal, the programming language.
Pascal.
Eric had it right.
Well, it's because I know the programming language. I don't actually know the programming language. I just know of it.
Does that count as a ribbon?
I don't know.
No, you gotta make it long.
Can you wrap it?
Yeah, you gotta wrap it
You gotta
inside
make
like
it more
this.
long.
Do you want me to show you how to do it?
We could have got our spiralizer and spiral the shit out of that
Oh, we
thing.
could have.
That would have looked
Here, watch.
awesome.
You gotta do this.
Spiral it like the whole thing.
Yeah.
Wait, you can't put it in there yet.
Why?
Oh, that's all right.
I can't remember which one's which. They're the same color. I think this is the dark one.
Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
it.
that was a good dark.
Literally dark color.
Oh, it's hard to cut with like a.
Oh, ribbon's like. Okay, I got it.
You know, this was too thick.
Yeah.
Fail.
I got
No, I'm
Wait a minute, when do you-
go in there.
When do you fail and then you get to just eat it?
Where's the cucumber?
Yeah. What else are you gonna do with it?
Yeah.
Cucumber.
Luckily, I just sharpened my knives. Like 2 hours of work right there.
Yeah, we have a spiralizer upstairs.
Yeah, I could have brought the spiral.
I mean, you could just use a
You're talking about something like this,
a
right?
peeler.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
no.
and then you're like
Yeah,
wrap
but
it
my
inside,
spiralizer would have just turned that entire thing into one
Right.
big ass fucking
and
spiral.
then you wrap it. So you do a long one,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you're gonna put
If he's
make
gonna do a
sushi
long
out
one,
of
he's
it.
gonna need to fucking
Oh, okay.
open the whole plastic up and cut straight down. Otherwise,
You're gonna need to open it up.
this is the long. This process might be longer than the actual cocktail.
That sucked. But it's what we get.
So what we got?
Common man cocktails, where we fucking just make shit up and then tell you all
It is what it
afterwards.
is.
Ain't no one paying
Alright.
us, so we can do what we want. This is the light one. I can tell. I knew it was gonna be good before I took a sip.
Ooh,
Ooh.
that's interesting.
What's that? What is
I
that?
don't know if Dan thinks that's so good.
Where are you getting that dying
I
from?
think
Oh,
in
it's
Detroit
got
Athletic
lemon.
Club.
It's got
Oh,
lemon.
it's just like
Really? It's got
I love
lime.
gimlets.
Pascalina.
Pascalina.
It's like little Pascal. Pascalito.
Pascalina. So that's her real name or her full name? Pascalina.
The heck is that?
It's a cat.
Had it not.
Cat coughing up something.
That's the noise I heard the other night.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm so hungry, I'm coughing.
Yeah.
Where's my food?
Because he's chewing on his own fur.
Are you okay there?
It's funny. It almost has like a black licorice taste. It's gotta be like the basil.
I don't get.
You all right?
What is it doing?
Oh, yeah, it does.
Does it have like a black licorice?
Don't know where that comes from.
It's gotta be the basil.
Oh, basil.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you're right.
So wait,
I mean, what do you think? So, what do you think of the dark one?
is it the dark one you don't like? Or that's the
It's
dark
the
one.
light one.
So what's your issue with it? It tastes
The
like
dark
basil.
one?
Either of them.
The dark one's a little like,
Sour.
Like cucumber.
yeah, it's like sour.
Really?
Hold on.
It's okay. It's not a cocktail I'd make again. Oh.
I like the dark
I'm just saying
one
that because I already made it twice.
Is it just too sour? Like I'm
Maybe my first sip was off.
I like the dark
Oh,
one
shit.
better.
Underage person in chat. Gotta kick him out.
Yeah.
What happened? Oh,
He forgot who we were because he's high right now.
you're like, is he talking to you from upstairs? I don't really mind either of them, but they are, in my opinion, slightly too sour.
Yeah.
And it might. I don't think it's because we've had sweeter drinks tonight, because we did have the bitter one.
No, they're just sour.
It's
okay.
it doesn't
I
have
don't
the
know.
They can be
They're not
sour
really
on their
that
own.
sour.
no. It doesn't have like
They're all
the.
yours.
It's not.
But
like,
I've had like cucumber gimlets with, I don't know, maybe it's sour.
Really?
I mean, it doesn't have the
I think
bile
it's
taste like the
cucumber.
Detroit Athletic Club.
I don't think it's that sour.
It does.
It's less Athletic Club, more Detroit.
Yeah.
If that makes any sense.
You got the slums.
I like this one better.
Really?
that
I like the dark one better. like it would be sour.
Sorry.
I'm just here for the views, bro. Yeah, so, I mean, it's not hard to try it, so give it a try. Tell us what you think. Leave your comments below. I think it's...
I mean, they're good.
I like the melding of the cucumber and basil.
But that's
Slightly sour. I would say if you want to remove some of the sour, replace this honey with simple syrup. It's going to be sharper sweetness. This is going to be a little darker. It's going to like slowly
Maybe
build.
it's a honey syrup.
Oh, I think they're good.
But you like bee's knees.
I do. I mean, I love gimlets. I really like bee's
You don't
knees.
get a lot of gin from those gins.
You don't get.
You don't get
Juniper, okay?
Talking to me?
Fuck you.
Do you get a lot of gin from that gin?
I get more vodka. More of a vodka kind of gin.
Shut up. No one asked your sorry ass.
Can we get the security over here? I think we gotta kick somebody out.
Pascal. Coupon. Pascal.
give it
Am
a
I
try.
saying that right? Pascal.
Yeah, we said how? Yeah.
Keep saying it.
AKA the voyeur.
Foyer.
Voyeur.
I don't know. I'm not a French speaker, but it sounded French. When I
No
said
black
it.
licorice.
Oh,
No more
Are you
sober.
okay?
Holy shit!
You're leading heavy. Are you okay?
No, I can just hear. I'm trying to read around the camera.
yeah, we got a lot of.
And I'm like, no more. And I'm like, am I drunk
I'm
or am I
looking
reading?
off
Like,
on
that
my side.
sentence?
Sis.
I'm like, see, you can see in there. I
Yeah,
can't. I'm
we're,
like,
we're guessing
I'm in the
what-
middle.
some of the
I have a
words.
distinct advantage.
you
Yeah.
do.
Alright.
You can read.
Give me my angle.
Oh, down below,
So I
shop.ostrich.com.
got to where I am now.
Get yourself some cocktail gear. And that's all I have to say about that.
Thanks, Forrest.
We're taking shot and drink.